Hello all. Hello all. My name is Akbar Ahmed Hussain and you are watching my channel Learn with Akbar Ahmed. I have started a series on web development and my main focus is on back-end web development and where I have started a series of lectures in PHP Laravel and today our lecture number is 36 and in this lecture we will discuss about one-to-many relationship in Laravel. If you have not watched my previous lecture, which is all about one-to-one relationship, I will recommend all of you guys to please go through that lecture because the previous lecture will help you in order to understand one-to-many relationship in Laravel. So let us go through what is one-to-many relationship in Laravel. A one-to-one relationship exists when one record in a table can be related to many records in another table. So basically, if there are two tables, suppose that you have two tables, one table is teacher and the other table is course. It might be that there is a one record of a teacher which is associated to more than one record in a course. So let's suppose I have already uh, draw a whiteboard where I have taken two tables or teacher and courses which will I explain later on. So example here, a blog post can have many commits. There is a blog post where many people can commit. So here a blog have many commits and commits that is belong to blog. Another example is a teacher. A teacher teaches multiple courses and the course belong to specific teacher. So let us go to our uh, whiteboard. So here uh, this is all about my one-to-one many relationship. Here I have two table, teacher and course. In teacher table I have two column, id and name. Id 1 2 3, name xyz. Course I have also two columns, id, course name 1a 2b 3c. So one-to-one relationship means that there is a one record of teacher table which is associated to more than one records in another column. So from this we can deduce that a teacher having ID 1 whose name is X is teaching a course A having ID 1 and teaching a course B having ID 2. So here teacher have many courses and these courses are belong to that teacher. Similarly, we suppose that this is our record entry number third and his ID is third, name Z. He teach course B as well course C. So this is all about our one-to-one relationship where one record uh, belongs to many other records in another table. So here is our main database relationship. Uh, in the previous lecture, I have created this database. So here I have two tables. One table is teachers, where teacher ID 1, 2, 3, and the name is Akbar Ahmed, Shirley Malik, and Usman Haider. While on the other hand, I have another table. It is taking some time. So here course ID 1, 2, 3 and course name web development database and Python. So their ID 1, 2, 3. So we assume that the teacher ID 1 teach another course and the another course is we can say that it is software engineering. So here I have to insert that and our course ID is primary key auto increment. We cannot add, otherwise we can add here 4 and the course name is uh, data structure and who is teaching. We have three IDs of teacher 1 2 3. So I suppose that the teacher ID 1 is teaching that course. So from there you can assume that there are two courses which a teacher ID 1 is teaching to teaching. One is web development and the other one is soft data structure. So here we can find out, just write SQL query, select static from teachers semicolon, select uh, static from courses. So here just click on go and you can see that here teacher ID1 name is Akbar M. Hussain. So here you can see that teacher ID1 is teaching a course of web development and teacher ID1 is teaching a course of data structure. So here teacher ID1 is teaching multiple course. So this is all about one to many relationship, and that course web development and data structure belongs to a teacher ID1 Akbar Ahmed Hussain. So go through our slides next. So here is all about its implementation. We have to create two tables. Already I have shown you now foreign relationship between two tables. So there is a teacher ID in the course there. It is already created. Now insert some data. I have inserted some data. Now two models. I have created two models in my previous lecture. So I do not need to create two models and now two methods. So just open VS Code and here here I have created two models. One model is teacher and the other one is course. So I go to teacher model, and here first of all we have to mention about primary key teacher ID. If you uh, go to data our database and see the teachers table, and here teacher ID. So this is I am using here protected dollar primary key is teacher ID, and this is my function for course. So here I have to show that our teacher is teaching multiple courses. For this you have to just write return dollar this, and here there is a function belongs to many, and belongs to many means that another table, another model. So another model, our name is course. So just write course colon colon class, and after that you have to and add a foreign key. So in course table the foreign key is teacher ID and semicolon. So this is all about in our teachers model. Now I have to go to our course model, and here I have to use the same procedure, return dollar this, and course belongs to that teacher. So here belongs to, and write the name of another model. So here teacher colon colon class. So teacher having a primary key which is teacher ID. So here this is our uh, two methods. Now we have to use in our main teacher controller. So here I have created a function, public function get data. So here just I read get data, or whatsoever I read it here, read data is equal to, so use teacher main, because teacher is our main table, and here I have to use find, and find already takes an ID 1 2 3. So here I am using 1, and after that hyphen and arrow, and here you have to use the attribute here is course. So just use here course, and after that there's a semicolon. So here it will, what will it will do, it will select teacher ID1 from the main teacher table and associated courses. So in courses teacher ID, which teacher ID1 course is teaching, so it will fetch all the data from here. So here use first of all echo and pre-tag, because I want to show in the form of a array, and after that use print all, and here use dollar read data and to array. It is a function which convert the into an array, and after that you have to use echo pre tag. So they are the HTML tags. So ending and starting tag. Now that I have to create a route for that. So here use route colon colon and get. So in the name of route I will use here show, you can use whatsoever. So here make an array and teacher controller colon colon class, and now the name of main function function in the controller. So here get data, and see here in the teacher controller, this is the function I have used here, name here. And now you have to go to a terminal. Here write a simple artisan command and to configure your local host. So the command is php artist art, artisan and serve. So this is the command PHP artisan, and here is my local server 127.0.0.0 has been established. Just click on here, it will open in a browser, and here it will open a default page. I have not set any default route, so I have to use my routes URI. So here just use here the name of route. So my name route is show. Just check here. So I write here show, and now I will enter, and let us see what the kind of data it will return. So here after taking a lot of time, here is an internal server error. So we will have to rectify it first of all. Base table view not found, relationship dot teacher does not exist. So we have to go through our teacher model, and here public function course belongs to many. Course here. Uh, so we have to adjust here because a teacher is teaching multiple courses. So we will one has. Let me rectify it here again. Just cut it here and return dollar this and belongs to many. Has one through no. Mm, huh. Has many, and now I have to write here course colon class, and after that teacher ID and semicolon. Now I have to check in belongs to okay teacher ID. So fine. Now go to teacher read find course equal find. So now go to URI. So now I will again start my localhost, and here forward slash, and just right here show. So here is the data shown in the form of array. So if you see here, teacher having id 1 is teaching a course id 6. Data structure teacher id 1 having course id 1 web development. So here uh, teacher is teaching multiple courses. So again we will go through here, and teacher ID, let's suppose 1 2, and database. So again I will write here and add subject database Python, and let's suppose um, here I write software engineering, and teacher ID 2 is teaching here, and go through here. So here is all about. Now I check again teacher controller here find ID 2. So now it has also some multiple entries showed here. So here I again here. So here you see that teacher ID 2 is teaching a database, course ID 2, teacher ID 2 is teaching course software engineering, course ID 7. So in this way one to many relationship works. You can also do it as an assignment for yourself, many to one relationship. So many to one relationship, just you have to change the structure of here. You have to first create a course ID, which is used as a foreign key in teacher table, and here you have to add another entry, and course belong to multiple teachers like web development, and now after that you just have to change uh, this process. So here this has many to, you have to change one belongs to, and here you have to change has many. So this will reverse the process. It will here show the result in the way of many to one. I hope you have understand that lecture. I will request all of you to practice maximum so that you can benefit and as the course of Laravel. So thank you so much.